Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I'm going to show you a little solar kit for camping. My son's in Florida, he likes to go camping. So I got him 2 flexible solar panels. The second one just came in. This connector here, so you can hook both of them into one cable right there, strip the ends, connect to your charge controller. These two go to the battery, and now I got another charge controller. This is only 45 watts. These are 50 watts. It's not for that. It's for the 45 watt solar panels from Harbor Freight. But this is cool because it has, this could be your second backup, so that you have all these little devices here. You can charge your phone on here. And these two are for 5 watt light bulbs. And that'll light up your tent just fine. This is for disconnecting, but once you get them together, you won't have to disconnect. I'm going to send that down to my son anyway. And I got one of these. It's got all the little attachments for this and everything else. So that can just run the lights and the charger. There's more charge controllers out there that you get these for like $35 on eBay. They're like $70 at Harbor Freight. Just to let you know, you get it all like half price at Harbor Freight. I mean eBay. Harbor Freight's got to have a markup. That's how they do their business. So there you go, solar panels, 50 watts each. And down in Florida, he's going to have many more peak sun hours than I do. Here at Battle Creek, Michigan, I believe it's 4.2 peak sun hours average, because of course we get way more in the summer, and in the winter time, mega cloud nucleation. Hey look, there's the sun over there. So I'll be happy if I get 1 peak sun hour today. But I had 3 days of sun, so I'm happy with that. Alright, that's it in a nutshell. If you're backpacking, bushcraft, or whatever, and you're leaving the trail, if you're going to go out a mile or so off the beaten path and go camping, that's a simple setup. Get the battery from Harbor Freight or from eBay, either way. It's not, I think, $50, something like that. It's not that big. It's a little heavy for the size of a package that it comes in, but that'll do it. It's a good battery. I know somebody at work that has 3 Harbor Freight solar panels, and he watches TV for free electricity. Pretty simple. We got a train right there. It's going to blow its horn, and you have a nice train day.